So today I'm making some benches to go along with the table that I made. If you didn't watch that video, you can watch that video with the link. And so I'm gonna walk you through this, but this is one of them already done, and so I'm gonna make some cuts and do some different things and show you how I put these together. Pretty happy with these, with this one anyway. And so we got 3 more to go, and so let's get to cutting. So I've got my cuts done for one bench, and there's my legs. I'm doing 16-inch. I mean, the good thing about building your own is you can do whatever you want. So 16-inch legs, and then I'm going to frame that up with 2 of these 30.5-inch 1x4s and 2 13.5 1x4s. And then on the inside of the legs, I'm going to frame that up some more to give it some strength and for the overall, and that's also 30.5-inch boards, and then 3.5 are going to go in the middle, and then this is my seat. So let's get to building. Okay, so I've got my bench, my legs, and my sides on and everything. So what I had decided to do was thinking about getting the little L brackets or little corner brackets that you can get, but it took the price up quite a bit to do as many as I needed. So I decided to do this in the center, kind of like I did with our table. And I'm going to put that down right in here and then screw that into the legs to hope to give it more support with the legs, and also support with the top as the actual seating part goes down. So so that's how I'm doing it. I'm sure there's 1,000 ways you can do it, but I think this is the least expensive way to do it and to keep the table and the benches at $100 or under. So you might come up with a different way, but that's the way that I have discovered, so let's hope it works. So I got everything in place. This centerpiece, which I think will support the legs coming and going. Of course, it doesn't look perfect, but this is the first time I've ever done it. So I have a feeling that a lot of folks are just like me. Sometimes we might be just a little scared to do something because we've never done it before, but you know, the thing about projects like this is actually they're more forgiving than we can imagine. Plus, there's a story behind it, right? So now all I have to do is put the top on, and then I'll be finished as far as putting it together, and then just gotta fill up some places in the wood, and then get it ready to stain. So. Alright guys, I got all 4 benches done, as you can see down the line here, and got the wood filler in the holes where the screws went in, and I'm going to sand it down and make it look good. Alright. We are done sanding, or I should say I'm done sanding, and they're ready to stain. You may decide to paint yours, but I'm going to stain mine to match the table that I made. If you didn't see the table, check that out in the other video, and the link, click the link, and you can check that out. But I think it's pretty much a success. A table and 4 benches for $100, and they're solid, and they'll probably last as long as we want them to, or until we get tired of them, right? So, but $100, that's a great deal. So a few years, you figure, you do the math. I mean, that's amazing. So good luck on your project, no matter what it is. Don't forget to subscribe.